Hey guys, back for another video. Today we're looking at the Acer 4K Ultra HD Webcam WBC-0E01. This is a Amazon affiliate video, so we do get a small commission if you purchase this product through the link we provide. We hope you do. It helps support the channel and keeps us making great videos like this, and so you guys can get reviews on stuff before you purchase them on Amazon. I really like this camera. It's again, I said it's a 4K camera. It's all metal body. It's like an aluminum, and it has a magnetic shutter cover that covers when you're not in use. Some people don't like that because they want something that's built in. This is also this will attach to your laptop, and then there's also a 1/4-20, so you can put this on any 1/4-20 mounting system like a tripod or whatnot. So it's really good. It's 4K. It has a Sony sensor in it. Sony half CMO sensor. It has a built-in microphone. It's plug and play, and it comes with a USB-C cable. I'll just show you right here. You plug it in, and then you just plug it into your laptop. This is what you get in the box: just the cable and the camera, and there's no software. It'll work with standard Windows drivers, and it will also work on Mac and Linux, and that's one of the reasons why I like this camera. It's just USB, regular USB-A. You just plug it in, and it's plug and play, and it will sit on top of your laptop if you want. You can see. So it's a good camera, and again, plug and play. I use Linux, and I like that it's plug and play. There's no AI software. The quality of the audio is good, and the video is very clean. And Acer makes really good stuff. They're value-oriented computer peripherals and devices, so you really can't go wrong with the Acer product. And if you're not super techie and don't want to mess around with a bunch of software, this is the camera to get if you want a really good 4K video. It's good for Zoom calls, Google Meet. I use it for shooting a podcast that I do. It works great, and I'm going to show you the microphone that I use as well in a little bit. But okay guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Again, it's the Acer Ultra 4K HD webcam. Pick one up, you won't be disappointed. And we'll see you guys on the next video for Vinny Reviews It. Take care.